What if I told you there's now insurance for AI agents, those autonomous systems that can code, handle customer service, or even make business decisions? And it's not coming from regulators, but from a former Anthropic executive who just raised $15 million to make it happen. Before we dive in, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on whether you'd trust AI to run key parts of your business. Here's the story. Rune Quist, one of Anthropic's earliest hires, founded the artificial intelligence underwriting company, AIUC for short. Their mission: to make deploying AI agents safer by pairing rigorous testing with actual insurance coverage. Enterprises are stuck in a tough spot: adopt AI and risk embarrassing failures, or wait on the sidelines while competitors move ahead. AIUC wants to give them a third option: deploy safely with guardrails. Their model is bold. Think of it like SOC 2 for AI, a new standard covering safety, security, reliability, accountability, privacy, and societal risks. AIUC stress tests AI systems thousands of times, trying to break them, whether it's making racist comments, leaking customer data, or approving fake refunds. Based on that testing, they set safety certifications and insurance premiums. The idea isn't new. Benjamin Franklin started America's first fire insurance company in 1752, which led to building codes. Car insurers pioneered crash tests long before regulators mandated airbags. Quist believes AI is following the same pattern. Markets move faster than governments. AIUC is already working with unicorn startups like Ada in customer support and Cognition in coding, helping them land deals with big enterprises by proving their systems can be trusted. They're even partnering with established insurers, so coverage is financially backed. Here's the kicker. While the EU AI Act has been stuck in development since 2021, AIUC plans to update its standards every quarter, keeping pace with how fast AI evolves. The takeaway is simple: the AI race won't wait for regulators. Insurance might just be the missing piece that allows companies to scale AI responsibly, without waiting years for government oversight. Watch the related video in the corner to see how AI regulation is evolving globally. And if you found this breakdown useful, don't just scroll away. Like, subscribe, and comment to let me know if you trust AI insurance for your business.